so today we are in Klong Ong Ang Canal. So this canal is actually famous because of this is the first canal that was built by the King Ramawan. It's actually only 50 meters from the MRT Samyot, that's the MRT, and then we just walk here. Easy to get it.
Unfortunately, those canals are not active anymore. I mean, there is no trade on the canals or floating markets or no river taxis like in the other canals of Bangkok or the main river in Bangkok. However, this street is now prepared for the tourism, so many nice, beautiful murals and lights on the weekends.
So behind me is such a beautiful lantern, Chinese lantern, and then we will walk there. So look at that, it's beautiful, you know, mural art on the wall. So let's go.
As I mentioned previously, this place is only open on the weekends. As you can see, since 4 p.m. up to 10 p.m. Friday to Sunday, and Monday to Friday there is just empty street. So you can still enjoy the murals in case if you cannot visit this place on the weekend, obviously.
So there are two parts actually, you know, in between the Klong or canal, this part and that part. But seems like at this part where the Chinese lantern, you know, light up is much busier. And I see over there are street food market and also many buskers. So yes, let's explore more.
In general, this place is very popular for the murals or the street art. As you can see, this one, actually this one particular, what we are facing right now, is very impressive, showing you a little bit of the old Bangkok town, how we're looking, and some people, and also how they are cleaning. I mean, everything involved in Bangkok, obviously, right? And well, let's see what we can find on the little streets here. There's some like fence. I think there's some residential buildings some people may live here. And there is some food court like, but this is definitely very, very quiet or cozy to compare to any other parts of Bangkok. Not so much is going on even this weekend already. So mostly you're coming here to experience the beautiful murals here. And there are only few little shops open. So many buskers selling something, like here the skateboards or something, but literally like maybe 10 stalls on the full entire street right now, and afterwards not that much is going on. Let's see, somebody is playing something over there. This guy playing on the saxophone, if I'm not mistaken, his saxophone is the biggest attraction of today's place. He have three people, spectators, and one lady at the front. Let's listen a little bit, it's definitely nice. After those, not much is going on, but cool, definitely.
So yeah, this is how the Ong Ang Walking Street basically. The mural art, some shop, and then that's the canal. Over there also the, you know, mural art on the wall. I think that mural art showing that how Thailand life was in the past.
So basically that's how does it look like here. It's, well, honestly I could say it's a little bit quiet and not that much is going on, not much options in general. You can hear only this boy playing on the saxophone, which is cool, really nice. And of course the murals and the lights, but after that not that much is going on. I don't know actually what's happened here, to be honest, because when we were watching some videos about this place during the even pandemic times like 2020 or 2021, it was definitely busier than it's right now in 2023, where the other areas were hustle and bustle are so alive, but this one is just feels not much interest, except that few kids making pictures behind us actually good, but after that it's pretty empty. I don't know why. Let's go to the other side of the street. There is like a bridge and another island. Let's see, maybe over there is actually busy. Let's have a look. But also if you are thinking about that, full entire area over here, the streets and everything is totally quieter than in other parts of Bangkok. We have a green, so we go. That's the bridge, and we're gonna cross the street. We're gonna have a look what's going on the other side.
So behind me, that's Mega Plaza in the area of the, you know, canal, close by the canal. It actually looks like the old plaza, and yeah, from the outside doesn't really look like optimistic, yeah, honey?
Yeah, pretty.
So maybe let's go there and see, you know, who knows that some more street performance or some, you know, street food there. Let's go.
There is some performance, the girl singing something. And you know us, we are the monkeys, we're showing anything, either it's super busy or very quiet, nice or good or bad, we will always show you. And this is no difference with this one. We cross the bridge, slightly busier, but if it's very busy, let's have a look. Some uncle selling something, seems like he's chilling as well. So it's like a little stall here. And there are supposed to be shops on the, actually, instead of murals on the right. Seems actually like more going into that direction is busier. So basically more far from the metro station, seems like it's slightly busier. So uncles chilling here. There is like a little small street, very dark. Something was supposed to be there. We came from this direction, obviously. Gonna show you 360. A long time ago there must be a very busy market in general, and well, we're gonna go into that direction. There are some shop stalls, and the river looks like this one. Pity actually, as there are no boats cruising anymore here, but looks like this one. Okay.
So what can I see there? That's the old building, and then I think that's the newer building, and then another mural art. Very nice.
Very interesting mural indeed. Actually, this catch a little bit of my attention, these old buildings here. I mentioned before, as deep inside, supposed to be a market long time ago, but look at these houses. This is like an old part of the Bangkok in general. So it's pretty actually interesting to visit. This house is still made from the wood. So that's actually very interesting, considering as this is very close to the city center actually. Old town of Bangkok. Okay, let's go deep inside. You see, actually, you're going more deeper, more far, and you can find something more lively area here. You can buy some duck rice here, or you could actually, because I think they're closing right now actually. But overall, there are some food options at the front. So we will have a little look around what's going on. You could sit just next to the river, like this one. If you don't give up at the beginning of the journey, you can find something more interesting deep inside. Definitely no crowds but even some international visitors as well. And maybe some locals actually also chilling here on the weekend. There's little cat, brings the attention of the people. Yo, what's up, Kato? And stuff like this one. Or people playing here like a Chinese game, like something very interesting actually. I'm gonna tell you, enjoying their time, and all of the behind there are old houses actually, which is more interesting. People cooking something here. That's the nice fishes. There is the house, and there's the river on the other side. There's even some parties going on actually somewhere there. There must be a bar. Maybe later on the way home we're gonna come back and have a look. Meanwhile, let's focus a little bit on this local area. This is prepared for the tourists, but actually it's very local at the same time, and not so many tourists for some reason. This is like a little paradox, to be honest. That's why I think it's worth to come and show you a little bit around. And definitely pretty cool concept of sitting just directly next to the river, and also very secure because there's like a metal barrier, so you're not gonna jump to the river, of course, right? You can buy, of course, some beers and stuff like this one. Oh, here we go. This is like a little alley. And also so many Chinese accents here. It feels a little bit like a Chinatown, actually, to be honest. And this is also area just one of two metro stations behind the Chinatown. So I think it's actually continuation of Chinatown. So this is the little alley with the nice lanterns. Let's have a look a little bit.
Okay, so if you walk further over there is a hostel. It's called Ama Hostel.
Like this one, all right. And also there are small alleys here like this one, so you can explore next to these lanterns over there. So the market is open since 4 up to 10, so it's not open very long at night, and it's currently 6:30 p.m. So you could think it's actually maybe too early, but at the same time, if you come here at 9, everybody will closing down everything. So maybe it's just simply like this one. Definitely it's very cozy actually. So if you don't like very crowded areas like a Jodsfair, for example, probably this one will suit you the best.
Oh, so this one is the famous Ing Tea House. Very nice. They also have an ice cream.
So Winnie said that she wanna try the ice cream here, so you basically buy one set, 2 pieces for 50 bahts, like this one, and lovely lady gonna prepare it like this one. So this is the ice cream coming with some green things. That's actually interesting, isn't it?
Yes, and then she took the ice cream from that one.
All right, that's cool actually. Let's see. Why is purple if it's called peanut actually?
That's the peanut, the purple. I think that's the
so it's
taro.
actually- Oh, okay. We will try. We will try.
Look at this one. So this one is with the roti, peanut, and coriander.
Coriander on ice cream and the coconut, taro coconut ice cream.
Oh,
with
nice.
the three scopes actually. Looks pretty decent,
wow.
isn't it? Okay,
Yes.
let's have a look how she's gonna prepare it. Looks pretty decent. Check this. It's like a wrap, little bit.
Yeah.
Ice cream shawarma. That's so cool. Oh, and cut into half, and that's its 2 pieces, one set. Like this, one in the paper. So cool. We will try. How's your ice cream trying?
It's very nice. Taro with the coriander, with the peanut, and roti.
Something different today, isn't it? So that's the place. How does it look like? Very cozy, actually. Just after sunset, and the river on the other side. And there are some people. We're gonna go on the other side later on. Let's enjoy our ice cream first. Cheers, Sharon. There's the uncle going with some stuff for selling us ice cream. I think he had or something like that. And this is the place where we are, and this is the car on the other side. Actually looks definitely more colorful and more vibrant than on the other side where we started. Also on the other side there's already normal street, so the cars and the motorbikes are allowed, so you have to be careful, and there is nothing, just the people parking on the other side. So I just wanted to show you 360 degree. It's about like maybe 1 kilometer walk, something like that. Let's explore now this side of the canal, on the other side actually, the walking street. Seems like slightly more is something going on. Auntie is selling something here, like a drinks, like a juices. Another auntie is selling the hello, selling coconuts and some starters. And then there is like a Indian restaurant actually here. Here we go. Zafran Indian place. So some Indian people are interested here, and not only Indian. And this one is still closed, unfortunately. Some people even park the motorbikes there. Well, we're gonna show you what is going on. I can see already so many Indian restaurants, and even Mama restaurant is at the front. That's actually interesting. That's little bit feels like little India in Bangkok actually. I didn't have ideas there's so many Indian restaurants. So as you can see, you learn something new every single day, and today is no difference. Even at the beginning wasn't look optimistic, now it looks very, yo, thank you so much, brother. Thank you. So as you can see, pretty nice Indian restaurant here, and people enjoying the time. Maybe we could have a naan cheese here even, Zion. Next time, naan cheese.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Another restaurant unfortunately closed, but you know, something is going on. Actually, all of those restaurants are Indian currently, if you can see, one by one. Only actually restaurants where they are here open, they are Indian restaurants. However, yeah, it's something new, and it's actually not that bad. It's actually pretty cool. Some of them they are busier, some of them they are quieter like this one, but they are here, and some people enjoying here. Look at this scooter. This is something new, never seen like this one. Seems to also a little bit cool. Somebody had a Valentine's party here, or Valentine's street. I don't know, walking street, but like a Valentine vibes, probably last week, and that's the camels in general. Pretty cool place. So right now, after we saw the Chinese lanterns and the accents, it feels a little bit like a Chinatown together with Little India. It's like a very interesting blend between Chinatown and Little India. Very interesting place to visit. It's very quiet to compare, of course, to the other very busy parts of Bangkok. So if you don't like hustle and bustle, you don't like the crowds, because I know also some of you comment, it's too busy for me. This one, you should like it. It's totally different than other parts of Bangkok. You don't even feel that much as the Bangkok, right?
Yeah.
It's totally something different. But even it's very quiet. I could say it's very quiet to compare to the other place, like I mentioned already at least 2 times. We can see some tourists and overall visitors coming to visit this place. So at the beginning, we thought it's very like sad looking, as you know, was not so optimistic. But at the end, if you're not gonna give up, like we're not giving up with anything what we are doing, if you're not gonna give up and you're gonna go more deep inside, you're gonna find actually some bars, some restaurants, and some interesting things to see. So in my opinion, it's highly recommended for everyone who have time in Bangkok to come and visit this place.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye!